In this two-part lecture, we will cover some of the advantages and disadvantages of several demonstration-based training methods, including on-the-job training, apprenticeships, and self-directed learning. One of the most effective methods is on-the-job training, or OJT, where less experienced employees learn from their supervisors and more experienced colleagues. It happens on site, not in a traditional classroom, and managers usually serve as trainers. This method tends to be more effective when it's structured. Training tasks are broken into steps or stages, and each one is explained and demonstrated multiple times by the trainer. Then trainees practice each step with the help of the trainer and receive feedback about their first attempts. Once they've mastered all the steps, they put it all together and perform the entire task. As the trainer observes, evaluates, and provides even more feedback. This process is continuous, and managers continue to work with employees and provide the necessary resources. On-the-job training allows learners to develop a variety of KSAOs that are highly transferable to their jobs. Like on-the-job training, apprenticeships provide opportunities for observation, interaction, practice, and feedback. One of the other advantages is that trainees are paid to learn, and they earn more as they learn more. Many employers will hire at least some of their trainees, and their offers are usually competitive. The organization benefits because trainees are motivated to learn, transfer, and improve their job performance to earn a spot at the company. These programs attract some of the most promising applicants as well. Design can be targeted to meet specific business needs and to create a talent pipeline. Unfortunately, these programs have been less accessible to women and ethnic minorities. Development and administration costs can be high, as this method is actually two methods in one and requires years of effort from both trainees and trainers. These programs are laser focused on the KSAOs of a single job, and so the newly learned capabilities may not transfer well to other positions or occupations. Apprenticeships combine on-the-job training with traditional classroom learning. This method is popular in the skilled trades like plumbing, carpentry, and machinery. Programs typically last anywhere from 2 to 6 years. Employers and trade unions often sponsor and pay for these programs, and trainees make money while they learn. Some programs are regulated by both state and federal laws that mandate the number of required hours and other features of the apprenticeship. On-the-job training is one of the few methods that checks all the boxes. It provides meaningful opportunities to observe, interact, practice, and get feedback. Because trainees learn in the actual work environment using actual tools and equipment, transfer is more likely. Plus, training can be adjusted to meet individuals' needs and can be offered on the spot at any time. It can also be used with employees at all levels and is especially useful for cross-training and onboarding new hires. However, on-the-job training may be inconsistent as different managers have different ways of teaching their employees. And they can pass on their bad habits and misperceptions, both of which are difficult to unlearn. For these reasons, it's best to standardize OJT programs and provide some consistency. Teach managers how to be trainers and provide them with necessary supports and training materials. Self-directed learning is a form of on-the-job training. Learners are responsible for completing the program at their own pace and in their own way. They drive the learning process. The company or the trainer chooses the content that the program will cover and the trainer is usually available to answer any questions and provide additional guidance. Most importantly, there should be plenty of self-evaluation tools that trainees can use to assess their progress and their performance in the course. The defining feature of self-directed learning is its flexibility. Trainees can learn at their own convenience. It requires fewer resources, fewer trainers, facilities, and administration costs. The structure can help organizations deliver consistent yet customized instruction. But this method isn't for everyone. It may place too much responsibility on the learners, making it difficult for them to complete the program. They should be highly motivated. This method can also be inconsistent as trainees may have vastly different experiences in a self-directed learning program. Plus, this option may not be practical for large numbers of trainees. In the next video, we will learn about a few more demonstration-based training methods.